Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to AVD using an easy method. First, you need to understand the basics of Azure Virtual Desktop for remote access. Next, select the correct client for your device, whether it's Windows or a web browser. Finally, make sure you have your workspace URL and login credentials prepared. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth connection process. Now, let's get the client set up. Begin by downloading the appropriate Azure Virtual Desktop client for your specific operating system. Once downloaded, install the client by carefully following all the on-screen prompts. After the installation is complete, simply launch the application. This will prepare you for the next step of connecting to your virtual environment.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like it for more useful content. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Trees Black Ice air freshener. It's a simple way to keep your ride fresh. Check the description for the product link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
With the client open, it's time to subscribe to your workspace. Look for the Subscribe or Add Workspace option within the AVD client and select it. You will then need to enter your unique workspace URL, which your administrator should have provided. Finally, authenticate using your organizational credentials when prompted to complete the subscription process. Once you have successfully subscribed, your assigned desktops and applications will automatically appear within the client window. To access your virtual environment, simply double-click on the desired desktop or application icon. Congratulations! You are now connected to your Azure Virtual Desktop environment and can begin working remotely with ease and efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.